So this is how to transfer your investment account from Tangerine Bank to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and select the transfer icon. Once you're on the Move Money page or the transfer page right here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts and then select Transfer Account to Wealthsimple and then press on Get Started. Once you're here, you can then select the location of your account. So in this case, you want to scroll down to where it says Tangerine Bank and select that. Once Tangerine Bank is selected, you can either sign in through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the bottom and select Enter Information manually. I will be pressing that for this example. Once you're here, you can then select the investment account that you want to transfer from Tangerine. So you can scroll through, see all the options right here. So for example, if you wanted to transfer, let's just say, as an example, your RESP, you could then select that, and then at the bottom, press Next. Once you're here, you can fill in the details and press Next, or for example, if I just wanted to do TFSA to make things easier, you can then type in your accounts, press on Next, and then just follow the steps that come after this. So that is how you guys can transfer your investment account from Tangerine Bank over to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.